everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to do a Makeup Geek video. So I purchased a $10 round pan grab bag from Makeup Geek. At the time that I'm recording this video, which is the day before it's going to be posted, these grab bags are still available if you're interested. So if you guys want to see what I got in my $10 round pan grab bag from Makeup Geek, then stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so I took everything out of the box because you don't need to hear me deal with that, but I didn't, as you can see, it's all still bubble wrapped. I didn't open anything. So the first things that I got are two of these Z palettes that hold the, I'm going to be taking this stuff apart now anyway, so they hold 4 round pans in each one, so I got 2 of those. So I'm in Canada, so I actually paid $15.99 for all this, but I think it's still a good deal. So yeah, I got 2 of those. Okay, let's open this little package first and see what's in here. And I will do swatches for you guys, why not? I got a makeup wipe here and all that good stuff. So let's open up the bubble wrap. They had it wrapped up good, so nothing should be broken, I hope. Everything was bubble wrapped. Alright, so I got a bronzer by the looks of it. Contour powder. Looks like this. It is in the shade Half Hearted. Is that going to be too dark for me? I'm going to have pans everywhere. That's okay because I have a Z palette that will fit all this stuff in it. So here's what the pans of the bronzer or contour look like. Very soft. Ooh, that is kind of dark. There's what it looks like swatched, but let's see. Yeah, it blends out pretty good. So that is that. I'm going to wipe things as I go because I don't want to get everything all over myself. And then I have another, this is a pressed eyeshadow pan. And this is in the color Embellished. So they're getting rid of their circle pans so they can go to square pans. So I guess that's why she has them all on sale. This looks like it has a big fingerprint in it. It's just a darker cocoa brown. Okay, so that was everything in that little pack. This baby wipe doesn't work very well, but you know, it is what it is. Oh my god, I can't get that off. Got a scrubby. Alright, let's open this big pack and see what's inside. What shadows? This is all shadows, so let's see what we have inside. Comes nicely packaged with a bow. Cute. Cute little detail. Alright, let's go through these shadows and see what we have. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one is in Prom Night. I think I had this before from BoxyCharm, but I gave away that little, I shouldn't have gave away the Z palette. I guess I should have just got rid of the shadows. Oh, this is like this reminds me of a color from MAC. Taupe. MAC Taupe. Does that sound right? It's like a grayish brown. It's very, oh my god, that's so pretty. No, it's not MAC Taupe. It's, I can't remember what it is, but it's very similar to that color. Okay. Then we have, whoa. This one is in the color Limelight, and it makes sense, I guess. It's like a lime green or a chartreuse. So you don't know what you're going to get with these related color-wise, but there's what that one looks like. Okay, and you know what? I'll just leave that there for now. That actually matches the yellow in my sweater, kind of. Okay, the next one we have is... oh, I guess I should read it the right side up. Hey, Tinseltown. So this is going to be like a dark silvery color, I guess. By the looks of it. Gonna have a mess made on my desk of packaging here, but that's okay. This is what Tinseltown looks like in the pan. Oh, it's different. That's like a, almost like a brown, goldy green. I don't know, it's different. Very, very, very different. Alright. I'm just rinsing it off my finger right now. The next color is in the shade So Pale. It's just like a cream color. Standard color that you should have in pretty much any of your palettes, right? Well, not, you don't have to, but you know what I mean. Now, you're probably not even going to be able to see the swatch of this. This is what So Pale looks like in the pan. Yeah, it just kind of blends into my skin tone. This color's so pretty. Oh, I love it. This is Summer Lovin'. Summer Lovin' out of the pan, or out of the packaging. There's Summer Lovin'. That would be like a nice crease shade. There are 4 more to go. We have Pocket Change. So it kind of looks like a penny. Yeah, it's kind of coppery. I'm loving the colors that they picked for me so far. I can definitely make a full look. Yeah, definitely like a penny. The next one we have is, looks similar actually, Spirited. Here's what Spirited looks like. It's similar to Pocket Change. Oh no, it's more gold. This one's Spirited, that one's Pocket Change. 2 more. Oh, this is pretty. This is a sherry color for sure. This is in Surf's Up. It's like a steely blue, steely gray blue. Running out of room for swatching. There's what it looks like in the pan. Oh yeah, I can see me using that. There's what that, sorry that swatch is very messy, but there's what that Surf's Up looks like. And last but not least, it looks like it's a foiled one, and oh my god, it's a foiled eyeshadow pan. Oh my god, it's beautiful, look. Oh. Okay, this is in the color Daydreamer. Wake up, sleepy Jean. Oh, just made me think of the, geez, what's that band called? What's that band called that sings Sleepy Jean? It's not the Monkees. I forget. Oh, there's what it looks like. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know down below. I just can't think. I love that. Look. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So that is everything that I got in my Makeup Geek $10 grab bag. It's to get rid of their round pan stock, I think. So, oh, look, they're beautiful. I haven't played with Makeup Geek a lot, so this is a good way for me to play with it, even though, like I said, I don't know if they're discontinued colors or if they're just moving the circle pans into square pan palettes or whatever, but they're absolutely gorgeous, and I could see myself repurchasing again from Makeup Geek. But as I said, when I'm filming this, these grab bags are still available on Makeup Geek. I'll try to remember to link them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you did. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.